Take 2 kilograms raw mangoes, half kg lemons, half kg moringa roots, half kg green chillies. Wash them. Peel the moringa roots. Cut all the vegetables. Mix the spices. 6 tablespoons salt, 4 tablespoons red chili powder, 4 tablespoons turmeric powder. Apply mixed spices powder on cut vegetables. Let the vegetables rest overnight. Next day, add all the vegetables into a mixing bowl. Mix up all the things. Four tablespoon fenugreek seeds, 4 tablespoon black seeds, 4 pickle mithra, 2 tablespoon whole spices. Add into the pickle. Mix well. Add 1.5 liters of mustard oil. Mix. Cover and let rest for 2 days. Keep covered for 10 days. After every 2 days, shake and repeat the process until 10 days. On the 10th day, add into a pickle container. Refrigerate, and you can use it for 7-8 months. Your spicy and sour pickle is ready. Follow our easy pickle recipe and enjoy the Desi meals.